Puff-wrapped caramel apples celebrate old-fashioned candied apples. And this recipe enhances the classic with a presentation worthy of a dinner party dessert. When your guests cut inside, they'll discover 3 layers of fun: crispy puff pastry, cinnamon-coated apple, and sweet and creamy caramel. This recipe is for 4. Start by taking out a package of Pepperidge Farm puff pastry sheets and remove 1 sheet from the box. Let it thaw on the counter for 40 minutes or overnight in the fridge. Return the second to the freezer. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. First, stir half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon with 2 tablespoons of sugar in a shallow bowl. Make an egg wash for the pastry by beating an egg with 1 tablespoon of water in a small bowl with a fork or whisk. Now, prepare 4 medium Granny Smith apples by peeling them. Using a melon baller, scoop the cores out of the apples from the top, making sure to leave the bottoms intact. Next, coat the apples with the cinnamon mixture. Lightly flour your surface and unfold 1 pastry sheet. Roll the pastry sheet into a 10 by 9 inch rectangle. Now, cut it into 9 1-inch strips. Take 2 of the strips and press the ends together to make 1 20-inch strip using a dab of water to seal the connection. Repeat this with 6 of the remaining pastry strips. Next, cut 8 leaf shapes from the last pastry strip. To wrap the apples, starting at the bottom, wind a pastry strip around each apple. Slightly overlapping the edges of the pastry. Spoon 2 tablespoons prepared caramel sauce into the center of each apple. Top each with 2 pastry leaves. Brush the pastries with the egg mixture. And place the apples onto a baking sheet. Bake them at 400 degrees for 25 minutes or until the pastries are golden brown. Serve these autumn beauties with vanilla ice cream. Dessert doesn't get better than this. Puff-wrapped caramel apples.